On June 30, as a goodwill gesture, the armed forces of the Russian Federation finished fulfilling the assigned tasks in Snake Island and withdrew the garrison that had been operating there. The Russian Federation has demonstrated to the international society the absence of any obstacles for the efforts of UN to establish a humanitarian corridor for transporting agricultural products from Ukraine. This solution will prevent Kiev from speculating on an impending grocery crisis, citing the inability to export grain due to total control of the northwestern part of the Black Sea by Russia. Now it's up to the Ukrainian side that is still not clear on the Black Sea coastline, including the harbour waters. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. The enemy suffers considerable losses. On June 28, high-precision long-range sea-based weapons destroyed the command post of Khortytsa Operational Strategic Group near Dnepropetrovsk. Over the past 24 hours, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at the command post of 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade, the location of foreign mercenaries in Nikolaev, as well as the munitions depot of 79th Air Assault Brigade in Shevchenko-Nikolaev region, have resulted in the elimination of over 20 Ukrainian servicemen and over 80 foreign militants, 6 armored and motor vehicles, over 1,000 artillery projectiles, 300 mortar projectiles, and 100 man-pad rounds. 2 provisional bases of 113th Territorial Defense Brigade with up to 140 accommodated servicemen have been destroyed in Kharkov. Neutralization of the positions of the armed forces of Ukraine near Berestovoye and Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic, has resulted in over 50% of mortal losses in the units of 14th Mechanized and 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigades. These units have been withdrawn to the rear area for replenishing their combat capacities. Due to high losses and inadequate supply of 34th Battalion from 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade, 13 servicemen, including officers, have abandoned their positions. Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 5 armament and munitions depots near Kharkov, Zelenodolsk, Dnepropetrovsk region, as well as near Seversk and Bakhmut, Donetsk People's Republic. Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 34 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of 2 Uragan and Grad multiple rocket launching system platoons near Svetlodarskoye and Avdiivka, as well as 2 Gyatsin B artillery platoons near Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 39 command posts, as well as manpower and military equipment in 218 areas. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 2 Su-25 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force near Shirokaya, Dnepropetrovsk region and Arkhangelskaya, Kherson region, 1 Bukem-1 self-propelled air defense system at its firing position near Odessa, and a radar of S-300 air defense system near Slavgorod, Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian air defense means have shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Sofiivka, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Berestovoye, Petrovenki, Donetsk People's Republic, Zhovtnevoye, Bayrak, Getmanovka, Ivanchukovka, Peremoga, Kharkov region. 5 projectiles launched by a multiple rocket launching system have been intercepted near Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, and over Snake Island. In total, 224 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,400 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,859 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 698 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,059 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 3,916 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.